Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Shift Lock not working. I ran into this annoying issue myself, where Shift Lock, or even Caps Lock, was acting weird in Roblox. After trying a few things, I finally figured out what worked, and I'm here to help you fix it too. So first, I logged into my Roblox account like usual, and launched a game. Once I was inside the game, I hit the Escape key to bring up the in-game menu, and clicked on the Settings tab. Here's what I did. Made sure Shift Lock switch was turned on. Set camera mode to classic. Changed movement mode to keyboard and mouse. That tweak actually made the difference, and after that, Shift Lock started working perfectly again. So, yeah, that's what worked for me. Hopefully it helps you too. If it did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you want more quick fixes and Roblox tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.